As you can see, I'm back with day 2, man. As y'all can see, I'm about to run into some crazy. Yeah. Anyways, welcome to New York, man. Day 2. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, of course, and share the video, man. Share it with your people. Somebody you know might be going to New York. Send them this video, man. It might help them out.
It's another subway right here, y'all.
Hope y'all like it.
Okay, I'm gonna take y'all down there later. Don't worry. We got chilly as fuck out here today. Got more stuff for sale right here. All right. Look at the pink Lambo Urus. Yeah. Lamborghini Urus. First off, let me show y'all how this Walgreens look real quick. So it got like 3 floors to it. And so pretty much you got all your food shit on the first floor down there. Then you come up to the second floor and I think it's a couple cosmetic, like makeup shit. Then you come up here to the third floor and you got a little bit more of some cosmetics and fragrances and all that type of shit, you know, knickknacks. Also, you got your hygiene stuff up here. So, yeah. I got these little memorabilia. Okay. All right.
At this moment, man, as you can see, this is very unfortunate right here. That's just what comes with territory in New York. So, yeah, sorry about that, y'all. Y'all had to see it as much as I had to.
All right, y'all. If y'all ever in New York and you trying to take a subway, make sure you come to one of these machines to get you a scannable card, and you just load that up with however much you want. So we're gonna get new card. We got a regular Metro card on limited ride. Credit card. All right, and that is it. Times Square, man. We in the law, we in the beam. Here y'all go right here, guys. I got all type of shit for sale. You know what I'm saying? All type of shit. You know, they got the knockoff Taco Belly. Anything you need right here. No kids. All right, y'all. About to pull up to this teen spot. I think I finally found it. And we'll see how this goes. All right, guys. Here we are. This is it. This is it. You got some candles over there. All right. And then you got the restaurant right here. Okay.
All right, y'all. Forgot to mention, I got the oxtail with the rice. Man, let me tell y'all, fire. Like, for real, for real. Gotta try it if you ever in the area.
Y'all know, couldn't come to New York without no pizza, man. Let's get the detail on that right there.
As you can see, man, day 2 ended with pizza and ice cream. Couldn't ask for anything more. Stay tuned for day 3. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video, man. It's free. Why not do it?